Everyone is shouting.
6, 7.
6, 7.
6, 7. 6, 7.
6, 7.
But what does it mean?
Some say it's harmless. Some say it's demonic. But almost no one knows where it actually came from. This trend spread like wildfire. But to understand it, you have to know the origin. The phrase 67 first became popular after a viral sound from a 2025 song called Doot Doot 67 by an artist named Skrilla. TikTok users started making edits with it, especially funny clips, basketball highlights, and random reactions. The weird thing? The song doesn't explain what 6 to 7 even means. It's just repeated in the chorus. Because not everyone knew the meaning, some people started creating their own explanations.
Your kids have been saying these numbers because of a viral meme right now. But if you ask them what it means, they'll say nothing. Ugan, the demonic spirit of iron, with the sacred number of 6. Yamuja, the goddess of the ocean, with the sacred number of 7. 6, 7. Devil worship disguised as a trend. So protect your kids and don't get caught lacking.
And that's when some Muslims became worried. But Islam teaches us not to panic or spread fear without evidence. We verify first. So I looked deeper, and the more you trace it, the more obvious it becomes.
7 has some devil worship behind it is absolutely incorrect. And actually, it's not good for our kids. You know, we have 7, 8, 9. They can't really say 69. And all of a sudden, they're joking around saying 6, 7, 6, 7, and you're coming out and saying it's devil worshiping. Imagine now all the kids going to school and you've caused confusion for them because when they see others saying 6, 7, someone can say, yo, you're devil worshiping. And the other one's just like, bro, that's not devil worshiping. And now you've caused a rift between them because of a viral video. So I completely disagree with that. And I hope people don't take 6, 7 as we're bowing down to the devil. That's not correct. Ugan or Yamoga, whatever the crap that is, absolutely incorrect. And I'm very, very disappointed.
67 didn't start from any ritual, symbol, or cult group. It started as a random meme from a song. Then the kids repeated it because it sounded funny. Many researchers and Islamic YouTubers came to the same conclusion. It's meaningless. No hidden meaning, no demon link, no secret code. So the truth is simple. The 67 meme holds no bad meaning. It's just another brain rot trend with no explanation, like many before it. But as Muslims, we don't blindly follow any trend. We think before we speak, we know the meaning of our words. That's wisdom. May Allah guide us to what is beneficial. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the Decode of Islam for more videos like this. Assalamu alaikum.